Today in the livestock market, live cattle was lower today. There has been slow cash trade, but that's the way it's been happening for the last couple of weeks. The cycle is Monday through Friday. So now it starts a little bit slow. There is some concern that maybe there's some weak beef demand, and that might last for the short term. But overall, there is some support for the market long term, and that's actually holding up. Now, especially with the grain market coming back, retreating somewhat, that should give the market a little bit of a lift. We were kind of surprised that the live cattle and even the feeders were lower starting the day today, but I think they're gaining a little more momentum as we move later into the day. Now the feeders had some short-term pullback as well, so we're watching that. That shows you really if there is any optimism down the road, and I think that it was really just a small correction right now, but there will be some support, and as long as the corn prices continue to retreat, we can see that there's going to be some underpinning of some real support, real buying support should be coming in, and some follow through for the rest of the week. So we're going to watch for that closely, and certainly we got to watch for the crop progress report on the grain side. That can give us a little bit of an idea of our market direction. Hogs today was a little bit mixed. Those cutout values were weaker. That showed like the couple of front month of futures months were a little bit lower. There is the roll going on right now as well. So all those things are kind of putting a little pressure on the market, but the back months were a little bit higher. That just tells us there is some long-term support in this market. We know at some point China's got to come to us to replenish some of their pork needs, and everyone's waiting for this to happen. There hasn't been any news at all on any kind of trade resolution. That's a little bit depressing, and sometimes that's putting some pressure on the market, but certainly we're expecting still a lot more volatility. And I know that hogs has a lot of upside room to run, but we certainly need a shot in the arm before we're going to see anything like that from here on out.